Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we will have an out-of-the-box or outboxing review of this Mecha model kit from Kotobukiya, which came from the Hexa gear. To be honest, I'm not familiar with this Hexa gear, and I don't know if there is an anime of this, but all I know is this is a collectible plastic model kits, something like that. And I used to watch some reviews from Mecha Guy Kotsu and Zako Aurelius about this mecha models, but I had this particular kit which I watched from Mecha Guy Kotsu, and he reviewed it very nicely, and he rated it as the Gandarian tier as of his rating for his kits. So I was convinced to buy this kit and add it to my collection. So let's start unboxing this Mecha model kit from Hexa gear, which is the Hexa gear V-Thor from Kotobukiya. So honestly, I am impressed with the box art of this kit because it looks nice, and it looks very pleasant to see. It's like a poster of superheroes, something like that. And thank you HobbyLink Japan for the fast delivery of this Mecha model kit, and I ordered it from HobbyLink Japan. So if you guys like to buy rare kits or kits that aren't in the Philippine market, you can use the HobbyLink Japan as our market online for buying kits. So let's check this kit out. So the box art here shows how nicely presented the Hexa gear, because this looks really posterized, although there are dents already on this box due to the shipment, but I don't care as long as I receive it fully, no problem. And we can see here the logo of Hexa gear and the majestic V-Thor here. So it's a 1/24 scale kit, and from Kotobukiya, of course. So we can see the side of the box, the front view of the kit, some action poses here as the Hexa gear reaches for his very long sword here, and slashing pose here. And he can use this flap booster as a surfboard, something like that. And you can see here the governor, although the governor is it's like the pilot of the kit, but it's sold separately. And also we can use Kotobukiya customized kits here, and it says here heavy weapon unit, but sold separately. Anyway, this looks nice, and I wish I can find it in HobbyLink Japan sooner. Excuse me. So we can see here all the parts here, the units, he said. And yep, there's an archive card included. I don't know what's this archive card. And so let's open the box. And if we open the box, we can see what we can see. Oops. Yep, we can see the instruction manual here. Okay, the instruction manual is nice. It's in landscape mode. And yeah, okay, I think this is the archive card. Yeah, this is it. This is the archive card of Hexa gear, and there's this I don't know what other kit is this, but I think it can combine to the V-Thor. Yep, the V-Thor is surfing, and there are smokes on his surfboard. So we can see an instruction manual here. There are what's this? Okay, the items. statement. Okay, there is this V-Thor front view and V-Thor rear view here, and his signature long sword here. And yep, we can see the parts list here. So it's not that much. It's not that much as I see. Oh, sorry, I already teared the first page. Anyway, we can see some colored, somehow colored printout of the kit. Yep, it's my first time to see a colored printout from Kotobukiya, and yep, it's nicely done here. And yep, we can see from the center here a black version of the V-Thor, but unfortunately I cannot read the Japanese text. So yep, and we can see here some customized version of the V-Thor, and we can use the head for the frame arms girl, I think. Okay, there's this V-Thor kneeling, and it looks like a prince. So as usual, we can expect that V-Thor is black and white, so the runners are in black and white. So we have here white runners here for the armor sets, armor pieces. We have here gray piece and black pieces here for the inner frames. We have polycaps. So there are polycaps for this kit. There are clear blue pieces here for, I think this is for the visor, and this is for the hilt of the sword. So this is the only gold part here. We have a separate runner for the sheath and the blade of the sword, the long sword. So in this runner, we have here black runners for the inner frames, and no, it's not inner frame, but the manipulator, the hands, and the gun for the kit. We have here black runners, silver, or no, it's not, glossy black runner, I mean, for the inner frames. We have here white runners for armor pieces. Yep, these are all armor pieces for the V-Thor. And last we have here yep, glossy black runner for inner frame parts. So as always, we'll have a quick review of the runners before we build the kit. So we have here the white runners first. So these are runner B for the armor parts, and the surfing board part here. And we have another runner B, so we have two sets of runner B for the armor parts and the surfboard part. So we have runner C here for the chest part. These are small white runners. And we have here runner F, small white runners here. We have runner D, two sets of runner D here for the armor pieces. We have runner A, and the last white part here, runner E. So we go here, the small runner, we have here gray parts here for the runner H. We have ABS plastic here, glossy black plastic for runner J. We have this sword runner here as runner P, and the sheath for the sword as runner M. We have here purplish gray runner for the inner frame parts, which is runner G. And we have glossy black here for runner eye plastic made out of ABS plastic. We have runner K and another runner K for glossy black ABS parts. So we have two sets of runner K here. And we go here for the polycaps. We have two sets of polycaps here, polycaps and polycaps A. We have the manipulators or the hand parts here as runner N. And finally we have the sword handle and the gun parts as runner L. And these two tiny runners here as runner O for, I think these are for the visor, and runner Q for the sword hilt here. Okay, so we'll see you next time, and we'll start building this Kotobukiya Hexagear V-Thor. Until then, this is Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and take care.